Real 8 by 170 2 inches wheel spacers with Ford F-250 or Ford F-350 warranty. In most cases, installing 8 by 170 2 inches wheel spacers on your Ford F-250 or F-350 won't void the car warranty, as long as they fit properly and are correctly torqued. These 8 by 170 2 inches wheel spacers won't damage your car. Different brands may have different regulations, so it is recommended to check carefully before installing. As manufacturing technology improves, Ford F-250 and F-350 wheel spacers are getting more durable and tough. As long as you install correctly, brand hub-centric wheel spacers will have a negligible effect on the suspension part. In other words, even with long-term use, your car warranty is not affected by Ford F-250, F-350 wheel spacers. Even some famous aftermarket wheel manufacturers offer wheel spacers to fit their wheels. For decades, Ford wheel spacers have been used widely on many vehicles with no problems. Just get the top quality Ford wheel spacers, and you can make the car perform better and look more stylish. Brand spacer manufacturers spend much time, money to optimize the spacer design. Get genuine Ford wheel spacers and have them installed by professionals, then there is nothing to worry about. Since a spacer is a connecting part that holds the vehicle hub and wheel together, precise Ford wheel spacers are the best option. BONOSS Ford wheel spacers are generally produced by 0.02 mm CNC machining, which ensures a smooth surface and stable construction. In other words, the higher the precision, the better the performance. Made of advanced mechanics and undergoes a series of safety tests. They are approved by SGS and TUV. These SGS and TUV certified car spacers are completely safe to use. BONOSS Ford wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal rings is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels with a corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, BONOSS Ford active cooling Ford wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation screws to make brake cooling better. Distributed in petal shape, these screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Additionally, BONOSS Ford wheel spacers offer a 10-year warranty. Therefore, if you intend to buy good spacers, the BONOSS Ford active cooling Ford wheel spacers will be a perfect option. If you want to get the BONOSS Ford wheel spacers for a car, please make sure to see the link in the description. See you in next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.